Okay, about to get this boy hooked up. Let's see if she knows what she's doing. Ooh, she doing this wrong. But it's okay, we're gonna straighten her up. She need to go straight. She need to go. Picking up the G37. I'm a little hype about this. I can't fake. Yeah, cut that boy hard. Cut that boy hard. Cut it hard. Harder. Harder. Keep going. Now go with it. Now go with it. What you need to do and what they told you to do is you need to go straight and then come back. You straighten it up exactly where you want it and then you come back. You need to go straight and farther. You need to go farther. Yeah. You gotta straighten that boy up and bring that boy back. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Oh, I just stepped in some water. Oh no. Ooh, look at that boy. There you go. He said go up. Go up? Yeah, he gonna move it. Dang, that boy look good. Ooh, I'm hyped to get started on this. That good? Oh, you probably stop. You got back. I get the ramp and everything. Yes, sir. Got me a fin. Light broken a little bit. G37, 2013. Gotta get the door painted. But it's all good. If I get this boy up and running, up and rolling. All right, man. Now I just want to record a little bit. Look pretty good. You can tell that if the door is off a little bit. Look like you got bonded here. Look like you got bonded here. Check this out.
We check this stuff out later.
Okay, I'm just saying like you got bonded here.
Like a good thing.
Yeah. Shit, the fenders. That's all look straight. With the F250, stop playing with me. First vlog. Say what's up to the vlog, man. Ma, say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, say hey.
What's that? Oh, shit. Why you got me looking all homeless in there? I'm gonna go to a little Wally World. Man, that boy look good there. Gotta get a car cover. Nah, this is why I got guns. Nah, ours don't have guns. They took all the guns out a long time ago. Yeah, they been took all the guns out. Where's the car cover? This is car stuff. This is car stuff. So they got bigger straps down here. We got the. No, I was just saying. Got the little car cover. Need that for sure. My neighbors be tripping. saying. This Walmart big. You got to hold this though, 'cause I ain't got no money. I gotta go grab my money. I left my money in the car.
Alright, why you gotta go down?
Wily World.